Oscar here from the BMG Store in Nelson. Today we have an exciting announcement. We're announcing our line of OTA Flare kits, specifically for LandCruiser 300 series and 250 series Prado. We're the New Zealand supplier for this product, so if you're interested anywhere in New Zealand, please reach out to us either in store or online. This here is a flare upgrade kit. It's a 35mm wider flare, which bolts on. It can be fitted DIY into all of the factory holes, and it's also got a much wider rear mud flap. So if you're towing or off-road, this is an amazing product for you. Or if you've gone to a slightly more aggressive wheel and tyre setup like this, and it's not quite cutting it with the factory flares, this is the best quality upgrade in the market. Reach out to the team and we'll sort it out. Now we've got our OTA flares installed on the 300 series here. You can see the much wider mud flaps and the OE Plus looking fitment of these flares. They go straight on, they look like a standard option, so we're proud to be offering such a high quality product. You can see it's going to help protect the side of the vehicle, and it even allows the opportunity to put a bigger tyre with an even wider wheel on. In this case, Dan does a lot of towing, so we've set this vehicle up to make sure that there's no issues on his boat, flicking up stones, and he's ready to get out fishing.